All right, so you've thought through how you want to plan and organize your lesson and its activities, and you may have even started planning it using a lesson plan template. However, before you can teach your lesson, you're gonna need to create or find some resources. And so that's what our next topic is all about. Resources. Let's get into it. So some of our lesson plans include a section of additional templates to help you quickly create resources for your lesson. These can be used for things such as vocabulary slips, which you can place inside a cup and pull words from a cup for games such as Pictionary and charades and similar activities. Or they can be used for making role play cards and other types of flashcards, large vocab cards, photos, etc. I also want to show you how to use our Google Slides version of our lesson plan template in order to add all of these resources directly to your lesson plan template, including multimedia such as photos and even videos. So you don't have to deal with multiple documents, multiple file types, multiple folders all over your computer somewhere. Instead, you can house all those things in one document, in one place. And the same thing you use to plan and teach your lesson plan, also functions as a multimedia presentation machine. Because I can print these photos, I can show them to my students on my mobile device or on my computer, and I can even plug these things into a TV and present them on a much larger screen. I can even play videos directly from my lesson plan. Of course, I can't do that with my paper lesson plan. I can write down what video to watch or what photos to show to my students, but I can't present those things directly from this piece of paper. However, with one click of the button with Google Slides, I can take all the work I've been putting into writing my lesson plan and assembling my resources, and I can present it directly from my lesson plan onto a larger screen. Not only does this potentially allow me to go paperless, thus saving me resources like paper and ink and laminating sheets and the money that I would spend on those things, but it also makes my lesson planning process much more efficient. It saves me time and energy because I can keep all or most of my resources within the same file as the rest of my lesson plan, rather than having them spread around multiple folders on my computer or inside my filing cabinet. And so in addition to showing you how to plan your lesson the old-fashioned way with a paper lesson plan template, I'm also really excited to show you this digital way of planning your lesson, because it's a way to go paperless, to be more efficient and even more organized.